this is NK Fabio, here to show what I did with the model, the kit, the Hocker Ear from M2. How I've built it, and it looks really nice, and really has now become like one of my favourite M2 motors, especially with the I mean the seats are not bad, but I do love the red tint on the car. It makes it like a sort of I don't know, like something like our blood drive, but more fierce, more like something that will get like all the drivers from blood drive, well, like from a hopper, and like you know was the like more fierce, more like it was a very nice car, especially with the wheels and all that. Definitely looks like out of a horror film. Yeah, but this one I'll definitely give it a 9. And on that, yeah, planned to head to Tokyo and showing all that, doing those things. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching.